Hello everybody, just got this beautiful box from our official website Radtel. Inside the box you can find the radio Radtel RT4D. It's a DMR radio. Inside you can find the user manual in one piece of paper. Radio. A lot of noise from this. Radio came with battery, lithium battery, 3500 milliamps, 7.5 volts. Maximum transmission power of the radio 5 watts. Frequency band 136 to 174, 470, but I know this radio works in much wider band. Small antenna, 20 centimeters long, SMA female connector, dual band antenna. Using nano VNA we can see the parameters of the antenna, and we see currently that the antenna works on two bands, VHF and UHF band. Let's see closely to each of them. In the VHF band we see that antenna works perfectly on 147 megahertz, maybe 145, SWR around 1.2 on this frequency. Let's check the 70 centimeters band. This parameters little bit wider, wide band antenna, but SWR 2.4 between 417 megahertz until 141 megahertz. On top of the radio you can find the volume knob and switch, fake GPS label. Inside the radio there is no any GPS devices, but I think this might be for future functions. The screen is not color, it's a LCD screen. Lamp on top of the radio, speaker, microphone, keyboard. On the right side you can find the connector for data cable, and charging port, USB-C port. On the right side you find the PTT button and two functionals buttons. Actually, in the box you can find the adapter, USB-C cable, additional stuff for the radio, and charging station. Sorry. You can charge like this or like this. Just connect the cable into the radio. Let's check the maximum transmission power of the radio. Just connected the dummy load to this device. Power meter SA DG503. VHF band. On the VHF band 4.3 watts maximum transmission power. Let's switch to the UHF band. Press PTT and we see the 4.3 watts on the UHF band. Almost the same transmission power on both bands. PMR band 4.6 watts. (350 MHz) 4.6, the same. 290, nothing. 0.3, but I think nothing. 220, the same. FM radio works from 64 MHz till the 108 MHz. Let's dial some frequency. It works perfectly. Inside the house, using this short antenna, around distance between the radio and radio station around 20 kilometers. It's works, I think, good. I'd like to see on top of the radio maybe some flashlights or some additional knob for changing the frequency, on using some functionality of the radio, and switch between the functionalities and between frequencies using some additional knob. The menu of the radio is really simple to use. Just press this button. You can see the basic settings. The additional press, you go to this menu and see functionalities. Let's list all this. Back, press this button. Key define. You can define some functions to almost every button on front of the radio, digital buttons. For long press, you can add some functionalities from this list. Let's back, analog set, square level, mid gain, repeater, TMF, a lot of time calibrate, refresh, work delay, back, digital settings, personal ID, call tone, group single, mid gain, speaker gain, channel set, scrambler, zone sets, message. In DMR mode you can send and receive some messages. FM radio, work mode, RX standby, scan mode, area, channel, work mode, time management, APO functionality. You can enable APO timer. I select 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the radio will switch off. Let's wait when the radio switched off. It's going to wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, to do nothing. This radio should, oh yeah, the radio switched off. To turn on the radio, rotate the button on switch off and switch on. Let's go to the menu again, channel set, zone set, message from radio, time manage. Let's turn off this functionality off and go to the basic set, almost end of the menu. If you'd like to switch from V4 mode to the channel mode, just press this button, channel mode, the second frequency, switch to the channel mode. You can switch to the single mode, single display mode, and switch the channels and see the frequency of the channel at the same time. Let's switch to the dual mode, dual display. We see the both channels. Let's switch every channel to the V4 mode. The channel switched to the V4 mode. The both channels were switched to the V4 mode. You can switch between frequencies using this button. To lock the keyboard, just long press this button. To unlock the same. Let's check the microphone and the speaker of the radio using both radios on the analog mode and in the digital mode. Testing, 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 testing. The speaker and microphone of the radio Radtel RT4D. Testing, testing. In the analog mode. Testing, testing. Testing, testing of the radio Radtel RT4D. Testing, testing. In the digital mode. DMR. Testing, testing. Let's check the harmonics. 145 MHz. Using attenuation, we can see some peaks. The main peak and additional harmonics, but the signal is good. Let's see a little bit higher. We see some peak on 436 MHz and a little bit higher. I think it's 7 MHz, but the level is not high. What you will see if you want to transmit using this radio on 27 MHz CB band. You will see these signals, a lot of harmonics. The main peak on 81 MHz, the next one 107, and lots of signals. Let's see I think it's the air band. Yeah, you will interfere with air band. I do not recommend to use this radio for 27 MHz band transmission, maybe only for reception. Also, this radio has spectrum analyzer. I assigned enabling this function to the 3 button. Long press this button enables this spectrum analyzer, and we can see the frequency, central frequency, currently 433 MHz, SPA 25 kHz. It means step from central frequency to the right and to the left, around 40 steps. And monitoring frequency. Let's check. Yes, we can hear this frequency. If we select the another frequency not correlate to 24.5 kilohertz, we can hear nothing. But if we dial the frequency correlates with 24.5 kilohertz, we can hear the noise, and every step in 25 kilohertz to the right, we can hear. Actually, we can dial the 446 MHz PMR band. We can hear nothing. But if we change the SPA, step around 1000 to the right, to the left, I think it will be working. Yeah, it works. 446 MHz. I like this radio because this radio is tiny, has a lot of functions, analog mode, DMR mode, wideband, you can hear the airplanes using airband, and you can charge this radio almost everywhere using the USB-C port.